Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0496 signifies that the onboard diagnostic system has detected a high purge flow in the Evaporative Emission Control (EVAP) system. This system is crucial for capturing fuel vapors from the gas tank and directing them to the engine intake for combustion. Concern primarily arises from components such as the EVAP canister, the EVAP canister purge valve, and the fuel tank pressure (FTP) sensor. The EVAP canister is situated near the fuel tank, while the purge valve is located along the plumbing connected to this canister. Diagnosing and addressing issues related to this DTC is essential to maintain vehicle emissions compliance and ensure proper engine function. This DTC should be addressed promptly as it can affect vehicle performance and fuel efficiency. DTC P0496 indicates that a high purge flow has been detected in the Evaporative Emission Control (EVAP) system. The main components of this system include the EVAP canister, which stores fuel vapors, the EVAP canister purge valve, responsible for controlling vapor flow, and the fuel tank pressure (FTP) sensor that monitors vapor levels. The EVAP canister is typically located near the fuel tank, while the purge valve is positioned in the engine compartment, connected by vacuum lines. Proper functioning of the EVAP system ensures that harmful vapors do not escape into the atmosphere, thus aiding in emission reduction. Diagnostics regarding this DTC are critical in ensuring that it adheres to environmental regulations and maintains vehicle efficiency. Failure to address issues indicated by this DTC may result in reduced vehicle performance and increased fuel consumption. Several potential causes can lead to the setting of DTC P0496. An intermittent failure might occur due to sporadic issues within the EVAP system, indicating that everything may appear normal at certain times, but then fail intermittently. Poor electrical connections, such as loose terminals or damaged wiring, can prevent the respective components, including the FTP sensor and purge valves, from functioning optimally. Furthermore, faulty components, like an ineffective EVAP canister purge valve or vent shut valve, can significantly contribute to incorrect readings within the system. Each of these causes needs to be carefully inspected to ensure proper diagnostics and repairs, leading towards resolution of the DTC. This step of identifying potential causes is crucial as it directly influences the effectiveness of subsequent troubleshooting efforts. The presence of DTC P0496 can lead to several recognizable symptoms. One of the most evident signs is the illumination of the check engine light on the vehicle's dashboard, a warning that something requires immediate attention. Drivers may also experience performance issues, such as stalling or reduced acceleration, as the engine struggles to process the excessive vapor flow. Additionally, vehicles with this error may fail emissions testing due to the irregularities within the EVAP system. Addressing the issues reported by this DTC promptly helps prevent further complications and ensures compliance with environmental regulations. Moreover, these symptoms can enhance driving reliability and prevent more extensive repair costs in the future. The initial troubleshooting step for addressing DTC P0496 begins with turning the ignition switch to on position 2, which powers up the vehicle's electrical systems necessary for diagnostics. Following this, using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, is essential to clear any existing DTC codes stored in the vehicle's engine control module. Clearing DTCs helps reset the system and provides a clean slate for further testing. Next, conduct an EVAP function test utilizing the HDS, which assesses the performance of the EVAP system components. This test is critical in determining if the issue is persistent or if it was an intermittent failure. After completing this step, checking the results, aids in deciding the subsequent course of action to effectively resolve the DTC. Following the EVAP function test, it is essential to assess the results thoroughly. If the results indicate that the system is operating correctly and is classified as OK, it suggests the DTC might be due to an intermittent failure. In this case, you should check for poor electrical connections or loose terminals at various components, including the fuel tank pressure (FTP) sensor, the EVAP canister purge valve, the vent shut valve, and the engine control module (ECM), powertrain control module (PCM). However, if the result of the test is negative, it's crucial to proceed to step 4 in the troubleshooting documentation. This systematic approach helps ensure that all components related to the DTC have been evaluated accordingly, enabling effective diagnosis and repairs. In step 4, the process begins by turning the ignition switch to the lock position, effectively shutting down the vehicle's electrical systems. Following that, replacing the EVAP canister purge valve is essential, as this component plays a vital role in regulating the flow of fuel vapors from the EVAP canister to the engine intake. A malfunctioning purge valve may cause excessive vapors, leading to DTC P0496. After the replacement, it's important to return the ignition to the on position too. Subsequently, the next step is resetting the engine control module, ECM, powertrain control module, PCM, again using the HDS, as this helps to clear any discrepancies following the component replacement. This step is integral to ensuring the modifications made are recognized by the vehicle's computer systems, allowing for proper functionality moving forward. Once the purge valve has been replaced, the next step involves executing an ECM/PCM idle learn procedure. This procedure enables the engine control module to recalibrate and assess the engine's idle speed concerning the new component installation. After completing the idle learn, you will conduct another EVAP function test using the HDS to confirm whether the system is functioning correctly. It's essential to analyze the results obtained from this test. If it returns an OK result, it confirms that the troubleshooting process is complete and the issue that triggered DTC P0496 has been resolved. Conversely, should the results be negative, further inspection of the electrical connections at relevant sensors and components will be necessary, reiterating the need to maintain consistency in troubleshooting methods to pinpoint any lurking defects. After completing all necessary repairs and troubleshooting steps associated with DTC P0496, it is crucial to perform final repair verification. Begin by checking that the DTC has been successfully cleared from the vehicle's PCM, confirming that no current faults are present. Following this, a comprehensive inspection and test drive should be conducted to ensure that the vehicle is functioning correctly under various driving conditions. This step is necessary for verifying that the previously replaced components, such as the EVAP canister purge valve, are working as intended and that the system operates as expected. Conducting post-repair tests allows you to double-check that no new issues have emerged since the repairs were carried out. This process enhances confidence that the root cause of DTC P0496 has been thoroughly addressed, ultimately leading to reliable and efficient vehicle performance. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in ensuring that issues like DTC P0496 do not arise frequently or lead to larger problems. Regular inspections of the EVAP system components, including the canister, purge valve, and FTP sensor, can mitigate premature wear or failures. Maintenance of clean and secure electrical connections should also be emphasized, as loose or corroded terminals often lead to sensitive electronics malfunctions. Following the vehicle's scheduled service intervals helps ensure that all systems, including the emissions control systems, are functioning optimally and are less likely to cause trouble in the future. Implementing these preventive strategies creates an environment conducive to vehicle longevity and efficiency, preserving the overall performance and compliance with emissions regulations. DTC P0496 serves as an important indicator of issues within the EVAP system, specifically regarding high purge flow detection. Understanding the roles of various components, such as the EVAP canister purge valve, and FTP sensor, are critical in ensuring that the vehicle complies with emission standards. Conducting thorough troubleshooting steps is essential in diagnosing the problem accurately, identifying intermittent failures, and addressing faulty components accordingly. The process from initial diagnostics to conducting function tests and making replacements provides a comprehensive pathway towards resolution. Furthermore, engaging in preventive maintenance forms the foundation of minimizing future issues tied to this DTC. In conclusion, careful attention to detail, timely interventions, and maintaining system integrity ensures that your Honda Accord operates smoothly and efficiently. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.